Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new month here at Cragen. Happy March, everyone. Excuse my super messy, creative, crazy that's happening right now. We are in full swing prepping for all of our March and April fun things that we've got going on for you. I do have our brand new March newsletter out. Looks gorgeous. Just so everyone is aware, we do have a Friends of Cragen Memorial Library book sale, March 4th through the 9th. That means that is this week. So please come on down and support our friends. And, you know, maybe come home with a few books that are maybe hard to find. Who knows? Hidden gems, right?
That's true.
I don't know.
Plus, the Friends of Cragen Library do fund all of our programming, which is awesome. And we thank them so much for that because we've had some really fun programs and we have some awesome programs coming up too.
Should I show? Yeah.
Yes, show off.
So these are awesome, super awesome No-So Gnomes. They're actually available today, March 1st. And all of the instructions are in the bag. You just stop on in and grab one to pick one up. He's just a cute little shelf holder. He's my new best friend.
Have you named him yet?
I have not named him. I just call him a him right now. It's really weird. He needs a name, right?
He does.
I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to think on that. Maybe I'll take suggestions for names. So yes, March 1st, our beautiful No-So Gnomes. That's today. Yeah, so we're here to talk to you about our challenges that we are doing this year. Jennifer, do you have an update on last month's challenge?
Right. So February's challenge was kindness, which I think we all kind of try to do all year round anyways. I am a baker, so when I bake, I like to bring things in for coworkers. So I did bring Sam a couple treats this month.
Oh, good. So good. And we're on the same little track there because I went away and I brought you home a nice treat as well, right?
I did. I got some chocolate covered Oreos, which were amazing.
I'm not gonna lie, the banana bread was probably the best banana bread I've had in a really long time. Like, it was so good. So, you know, just us being kind to each other, to whoever, to random people. That was what the goal of last month was. And then this month we are going with It's Nutrition Month. So we have challenged you to cook a healthy meal. Right?
Yes, we have.
Jennifer, do you like this challenge?
So, I have the palate of a 5-year-old, and it's a little bit tricky, but Sam did give me some cookbooks to look through, and I think I found something that we could do. My husband is not a picky eater, really, but I am, so it's still challenging. So Sam gave me the Keto Instapot, which ironically I don't have, but I do have a slow cooker, which I think this meal would work for that as well, just a little bit different. So this is the perfect pot roast, and it has carrots, and I don't know if that's onions. I think those are onions, which I don't eat, so I wouldn't put those in. That's a lot of things that I don't eat, so I wouldn't put them in. So there's celery and radish or turnip.
Oh, I love radishes. Oh, so good.
No, so I do change the recipe a little bit, but this does look good, and it's got some. So I would add like maybe mushrooms or potatoes.
Mushrooms.
You know, and make it a little bit differently, but still you have like meat and vegetables, which is good. What do you have for us, Sam?
So I have picked the Heart Healthy Meal Prep book. And for me, like I'm super bad at meal prepping. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like it's something that I really, really need to work on. It's fine. So maybe this book will help me do so. But I picked out, we've got this beautiful, it's salmon with red cabbage. Looks so good. Oh, Jennifer, no. And then look at this spinach salad with strawberries and chicken. And they put it like in a cup. It's like a cup, and I think that that's a super fancy way to eat your salad, to put it just
So
it's easier
I
to
would
like
eat,
store it.
here's the thing that I don't like, right? I don't like fruit in my salad. Like I don't mind
Oh my
eating
God.
salad. I don't mind having chicken or spinach in my salad, but I don't eat fruit in my, like eat fruit on the side. It's just
Okay, so like I understand, not like I don't like fruit salad, right? It's
oh,
like
I'll
too
eat fruit
sweet.
salad. I'll
Oh,
eat fruit
come on.
salad.
So like adding, like I'll add like dried cranberries in my salad, and like strawberries are nice in your salad, like strawberries and feta cheese. And I hope my mom watches this, because she's been trying to get me to go get a strawberry feta cheese arugula salad for a really long time. And then they've got a good black bean burger recipe in here. I know that you would eat that, right? We talked about this. You would eat that. All right. So the heart healthy meal prep, like I said, we also have a few. There's like I ordered like a thyroid cooking book, like a DASH diet book. So we have a bunch of different options. There's a few like vegan at times is upstairs. So like if you're not like totally like into being vegan, but you want to maybe try some things out, we have a whole mess of cookbooks for you upstairs. And anything that you think that you might like that we might not have on shelf, please just ask us and we will order it for you, or we'll get it from another library.
And
Yeah,
we want to see your meals. So tag us on Instagram or Facebook, or share it with us so we can see what you're cooking and if you like our choices or not. Because maybe you're more Sam or maybe you're more me.
I will say, for the first time ever, I'm going to share a picture real quick. I roasted a chicken. I've never roasted a whole bird, I guess. And I definitely messed up a little bit, but it came out perfectly. Like, check out that guy.
That looks nice.
Right? Right? I know. And so that's like even that is a healthy meal, because it was just vegetables and the bird, and we had a salad with it. It was great. And we felt like we were clean eating, right? That's the thing. There's also, I think there's a clean eating cookbook upstairs too. So yes, okay. Challenge is be healthy this month. Woohoo! Come to our book sale this weekend. Woohoo! And pick up a gnome. He's so cute. And we'll see you next month for a new challenge, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Good luck.